We're going to fetch a friend from the Philippines. I'm with my kababayan from Antique. We're in Changi Airport now. We're in Changi Airport. Because Philippine Airlines will arrive at 7 o'clock. So it's 7 o'clock already. Ay, not yet 7 o'clock. Maybe 15 minutes more. See? Okay, Changi Airport. I will follow the leader. They are the leader. Once again, I'm here in T2. We will explore Singapore Airport again. Changi. Changi Airport. They will go in. They will go in. We will go in first. See the beauty of Changi Airport. It's the cleanest airport in the world. And it's biggest also. Indigo, going to India. Wow, Valentine's, my melody. Here is my melody. Bim, naalala mo saan ba tayo noong kumain na hinatid mo ako? Wow! Wow! Ako lang muna. Sige lang. Sige lang. Lagi sa light beam. Tingnan mo yung naka-picture. Dayali ka, day. Dalawa tayo. Diyan muna. May cameraman. Nakasingit. Nilagay ko muna yung bag. Ang ganda. Kaya mag-picture muna kami. It's Valentine month. Valentine month. So here. O, day post day. O, ayan yung cameraman. Picture namin. Picture. Nako. May dumaan. Day.
Ayan tao, Bim.
Yan, Bim. Maya mo sila
Tulog muna ako.
May solo na. Bim, ako muna. Wala rin ako solo. Ayan. Dito lang, dito lang. Okay na. Ikaw din, ikaw din. Bim, ikaw din. Take photo.
Yung para sa iyo na pala sa bitbit na lang.
Ha?
Para buslan na lang nato magbitbit. Na ako
Oh, ikaw. Mabigat ko din. Yung damit ko kasi yan eh. We are in aisle number 5. 6 going to 10. It's nice to relax here. I want to go home again. Gamitin ko yung isang I want to take photo for my friends also. Baka mahulog yung bote ko dyan, Daya. Hanap kayo ng ano, Day. Hanap kayo ng magandang picture. Picturean ko rin kayo. Ay, dun. Ayan. Ganda. Dali na day, doon kayo.
I-video ka kayo pag sa ano. Ito pag video mo daw siya.
Ikaw? Taglit. I'm going to... Ha? Mainit ito. Paano ako maramigan? Naiinis ako, di ba? Okay. Ikaw muna? Ha? Okay, ready? Go! They are going to... here. Picture naman. Tingnan mo, Bim.
Para daw sa dubi-dubi, manggali cellphone mo.
Tingnan kita, sinday.
Hindi, doon day.
Ikaw na.
Kami, sinday.
Ha? O, tayo. Dalawa kayo. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Tay, dalawa kayo doon. Bim, kami din. Ganda, oh.
Ano?
Ha? Ano? Ito, Bim. Ikrap. Ganda, Bim, no? Okay na? Nag-selfie nga ako. O, sige na. Anong oras ba sila iya? Hindi makita yung ano, blue. Video na nga lang ako.
拍到那个效果了，看到没有？在的。俺哪是录像啊？现在录了，没有了。
Hindi makita, Bim. Hindi makita. Hindi makita. Na yun.
Saan ka na?
Day, dalawa tayo dito, Day. Dalawa tayo.
Hindi po ka darong cellphone ba?
Hindi ako makaano dito, diba? Hindi makapost. Kasi pag hindi umabot sa ano, hindi yan pwede. Kaya hindi ko to ginagamit pag video. Ito yung ano, Singapore Airlines, Philippines. So, Sige, mag-story ka na.
Recent picture niya eh.
Pim, saan nga? Saan nga? Saan na nga? Kasi dito yung mag-check-in, di ba? So, we're going to arrival. Arrival, Bim mo? Doon? Terminal 1 ba? Okay. We'll go to Terminal 1 arrival. Philippine Airlines.
Padala mo kay Lia, bukatin kayo.
Di bali, pauli na rin naman eh. Yung tubig yung mabigat, tsaka yung damit ko day. Tapos pwede rin tayo umupo-upo. Mamaya may biskuit ako para mabawasan yung dala ko. It's night time already. Here in Singapore. This 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Departure in Singapore. Bim, may solo ka na dito, no? Oh, day. Kunan mo si Bim Bim. User prosperity. My melody. Kaya mo tayo. Meron sumingit. Doing 2 vlogs. We're going to what time? 17:10. Ay. Departures. My friends far already because I'm taking video. Details. This is the plants here in Changi. Sorry if it's moving because I'm walking. I don't have sticks. I was not able to use sticks. Jewel. I'm sure we are here. Oh, we will go to T1. We'll go to T1, di ba? Oh, we'll go to T1 by SkyTrain. Di. We'll go to T1 by SkyTrain. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Oh, boom again yung Hello Kitty. My companion. We will meet our friends from the Philippines because our family sent some things from the Philippines, so we will just meet her here to pick up because today it's Sunday, so it's okay if we're late. Train to the city. Manila, 5:01, 1753. Ay, 1953. Bim, 1953. Oh, 8 o'clock na yan. Late. Here, the arrival is 1953, so it's 5:01. So, it's already... Skytation. Skytrain. Right, Skytrain ready to T1. Oh, to T3. This is to T3. So we will not alight here because it's going to T3. We're going to T1. T1 is there. Empty. It's nighttime already. T1. So train going to Terminal 1. So the alight and then we will go to T1. Empty. Here. My friends will sit down. Yes. I will show you the outside. It's not yet dark outside. We're going to Terminal 1.
Doors are closing. Please hold on to the handrails. We are now leaving for Terminal 1.
No passenger. Ha? Liwanag. Dayo. Going to T1.
We are now approaching Terminal 1.
7:26.
Please bring along all your belongings.
We're here already. Already in T1.
Welcome to Terminal 1.
We're here in T3. There's so many people here. So we're going to... There's a cloud. Nice. We're going down. Oh, ginabidyo ko.
Sunflower are your favorite?
Wow. Daming tao dito. Para sa ano? There's so many people here compared in the T2. This is T1 and T3. Departure to the city.
That's 2, 3, 4.
Oh, I want to show you this. All around there's Hello Kitty. There's Hello Kitty again. So cute. Oh, purple, my favorite color. Beautiful. Very nice. Super beautiful. Super beautiful here. Nice. It's a sunflower garden. Sunflower garden. We just sit down here for a while. It's time to end my video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Bye. Always remember you're so special.
Come on, it's dangerous. Okay. One last one, okay?